Natural Resource Economics, an Introduction. To start off, this is Arabel Joy Ramos. Natural resource economics deals with the supply, demand, and allocation of the Earth's natural resource. Its main objective is to better understand the role of natural resources in the economy. This diagram illustrates how society and the economy are subsets of the environment. It is not possible for societal and economic systems to exist independently from the environment. Resource economists provide science-based information to help agriculture producers balance production of demands with elements central to agricultural sustainability, including maintenance and improvement of air and soil quality, adaptation and management of climate change dynamics, efficient use of surface and groundwater supplies, maintenance of landscape vistas, wild plant and animal habitats and recreational areas. There is a constant worldwide debate regarding the allocation of natural resources. The discussions are centered around the issues of increased scarcity or resource depletion, and the exportation of natural resources as a basis for many economies, especially developed nations. The vast majority of natural resources are exhaustible, which means they are available in a limited quantity and can be used up if they are not managed correctly. Natural resource economics aims to study resources in order to prevent depletion. Causes of resource depletion: overconsumption or excessive, unnecessary use of resources, non-equitable distribution of resources, overpopulation, slash and burn agricultural practices currently occurring in many developing countries, technological and industrial development, erosion, irrigation, mining for oil and minerals, aquifer depletion, forestry, and pollution or contamination of resources.
Impact of natural resources economics. 1. Extraction. It is the process of withdrawing resources from nature. The processing always impacts on the environment, resulting to soil degradation, water shortage, loss of biodiversity, damage to ecosystem. The extraction of natural resources substantially increases a country's wealth. Examples are mining and logging. 2. Depletion. Depletion refers to the situation where the consumption of natural resources is faster than it can be replenished. Causes of depletion are overpopulation, logging, overconsumption of natural resources, and pollution. Third, protection. Protection is the preservation of natural resources for the future. Protection policies state the necessary actions internationally, nationally, and individually that must take place to control natural resource depletion that is a result of human activity. Various ways to protect our natural resources are: 1. Reduce consumption of natural resources as much as possible. 2. Follow the principle of reuse. 3. Recycling. 4. Alternative source of energy. 5. Do not waste water to avoid water scarcity. Fourth, management. Management is the use of natural resources taking into account economic, environmental, and social concerns. The preservation of natural resources impacts the quality of life now and for future generations. Resource allocation. Resource allocation is the division of goods for the use of production within the economy. Must be determined whether the production as well as the process creates more benefits than cost for the producer, consumers, and the society as a whole. Internalities. It is a cost or benefit that affects a party who did not choose to incur the cost or benefit. In regards to natural resources, production and use of resources can have a positive or negative effect on the allocation of the resources. External cost, a negative externality. It is also called external cost that imposed a negative effect on a third party to an economic transaction. Negative externality, air pollution from vehicle is an example. It affects other than those who has vehicle and those who sell the gas. Positive externalities. It is also referred to as external benefits. It is imposed a positive effect on a third party. The positive externality is a benefit enjoyed by third parties as a result of production, consumption of goods or services. In order to achieve the socially optimal equilibrium, the marginal social benefits should equal the marginal social cost. Thank you. That's the end of our presentation. And have a good day.